usapang matino, lumabas yung ICI 94, EO 94. Walang budget. Okay. Kumbaga, o lumabag ka sa gera, solve mo yung problema, hindi ka naman binigyan ng armas. O, ano nangyari sa'yo? Di nakatiwangwang ka. Ano? You cannot defend yourself. You have no powers. Mag-imbita ka kung ayaw pumunta, wala ka nang magagawa. You don't even have subpoena powers. No? Gusto mong wag paalisin ang isang tao. We don't have that. We have to go to court for a whole departure order. O, ano nangyari? Nakaalis. Sisisihin pa kami doon. Punching bag ka na naman. Ba't hindi nyo pinigilan? Wala nga kaming power to stop that guy from leaving. That's what I mean. Ang liwanag naman noon. No? So, we were absorbing a lot of the flak for something that we have no power to do. Pakulong nyo yan, yung kurakot. Wala naman kaming power na magpakulong. O di, sino sinisi? ICI. Ang bagal nyo. You must be protecting the big fish. You must be protecting somebody. So, binato ng lahat sa ICI. That's what I meant when I discussed it with Congressman Erice.